This is the best fruit grabber made with a bottle. To build it, first we mark the bottom of the bottle crosswise and then cut it with scissors following the marks. Next, with a hot welder, we drill holes in each of the cut corners of the bottle, as shown on the screen or illustration. Then, we take a piece of PVC pipe 1/2 inch wide and make 2 holes in it, separated by a distance of 10 centimeters. Once this is done, the bottle should look like this. Now we will need nylon thread. We pass several pieces of this thread through the holes in the bottle so that springs are formed as shown in the illustration or on the screen. When passing all the threads, it should look more or less like this. Then, we take a rope and tie it to the end, making a knot prior to the threads protruding from the bottle. Then, we insert the end of the rope into the PVC pipe, and with the help of a hook, we pull it out through the holes we had made previously. Finally, we tie a knot at the end of the rope. With these steps, our homemade fruit grabber will be ready. It is ideal for picking fruits directly from the heights of the trees without having to climb them. In addition, its ingenious and economical design makes it a practical solution for fruit harvesting at home or in the field. If you made it this far, leave emojis of your favorite fruit so that Asio knows you saw the full video. If this is the first time you see one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.